Mike exemplifies the type of values that we aspire for in our students. He captures the commitment to not only hard work and exceptional engineering, but he has both potential and steps up with his innate abilities, ultimately for leadership. He values people and human communities. You see that in the way he embraces the community of the department as well as those around him in his company and local region. And he also, through all that, captures an ethic that it's not just about him or the thrill of discovery or personal ambition. He actually takes into his professional life a commitment to better the world.
I learned what it was like to be a real leader when I talked to people at Applied Materials about Mike Splinter. And what they said is he is just a great individual to work for. He inspires confidence in them. He trusts his employees. And you got the sense that they would follow Mike anywhere. They were that confident that he was just going to lead them in the right direction and find a solution to any problem they have. That people part, I think, is Mike's greatest skill.
Mike's been a great supporter and a great, if you will, leader on a voluntary basis for our department, for our college. He has supported us enthusiastically for years, supporting events, serving on boards, and he's been just selfless and always made himself available in a way that he doesn't have to. Mike's provided this time on an entirely voluntary basis, support his leadership for the college and the department, in spite of being the leader of one of the top major companies in the United States and in the semiconductor industry.
So clearly his work at both Intel and Applied Materials have had major impacts on, first of all, on the semiconductor industry, and then the second on photovoltaics for energy generation. So these are in fact grand challenges that we have. What's the next generation of computing going to do for us? How are we actually going to power our society? But if you go beyond that, one of the other things that's a major challenge for engineering that Mike's played a major role in is getting more people interested in STEM education. And his work in schools has made people aware of what you can do with an engineering degree, and probably that it's possible for everyone to succeed. They just have to try and be confident.
Receiving an honorary doctorate from the University of Wisconsin-Madison represents the recognition of the entire university community that this person not only is good as a professional in their chosen discipline, but they represent a citizen of the state, the nation, and the world.
I think we expect our graduates to be innovative, creative. We expect that they're going to provide the solutions to the technology problems that our society is facing, and we expect that they're going to be able to help power the economic growth of our nation. And as clearly, if you think what Mike's done, Applied Materials and Intel before that, he has certainly achieved that part. But I think the part that's more important for Mike and what we expect of our Wisconsin engineers is that they have that ability to instill confidence in people. They're hardworking, they get things done, they lead by example. And Mike certainly has done all of those. And the last part I'd say for a Wisconsin engineer, they have to know how to give back to their community and go beyond just their sort of career aspects. And Mike's work with education certainly shows that. And I think Mike lives the Wisconsin idea.